Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Hearing System. What are the structures that participate in the human auditory sensitivity? The structures of the human auditory sensitivity are the ears, the external, the middle, and internal, and the vestibulocochlear nerves, and the auditory areas of the brain located in the temporal lobes of both hemispheres. What are the main parts of the human ear? The human ear is divided into three main parts: external ear, the middle ear, and the internal ear. What are the structures that form the external ear? What is its function? The external ear comprises of the pinna or the auricle and the auditory canal. Its function is to conduct the sound waves to the tympanum. What are the elements that form the middle ear? What are the names of the three middle ear ossicles that participate in phonosensitivity? The middle ear, formed by the tympan, the ossicular chain, and the oval window. The function ossicles of the middle ear are the hammer, which is the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. What is the tympanum? In which part of the ear is it located, and what is its function? The tympanum, or the eardrum, is a membrane located in the middle ear, just after the auditory canal, and so it separates the middle ear from the external ear. The function of the tympanum is to vibrate with the same frequency of the sound wave that reach it. How is the sound vibration captured by the tympanum transmitted through the ossicular chain of the middle ear? The acoustic transmission from the external to the middle ear and to the internal ear too is entirely mechanical. The vibration of the tympanic membrane, it triggers the vibration of the hammer and then causes the incus to vibrate. The incus then causes the stape to vibrate. What are the elements that constitute the internal ear? What are the functions of these structures? The internal ear, there are the cochlea and semicircular canals. The fluid that fills the cochlea receives the vibration from the ossicular chain of the middle ear and transmits the pressure to the semicircular canals. Within the semicircular canals, the pressure variation of the filling fluid moves the cilia of the hair cells, and these structures, the hair cells, then generate the action potential that is transmitted to the brain through the auditory nerves. Why is there a sense of pressure change inside the ear when someone goes down a mountain? The pressure inside the middle ear is maintained equal to the external ear, so to the exterior too, due to the communicating duct between the middle ear and the pharynx called the auditory tube or the eustachian tube. When someone goes down a mountain, the air pressure upon the ear or the middle ear increases, and it is necessary to do some exercise like fake swallowing or force or the opening of the pharyngeal orifice of the auditory tube to equalize the pressure again. What is the vestibular system and how does it operate? The vestibular system is part of the ear that participates in the control and regulation of the equilibrium of the body, which is the balance. The semicircular canals of the inner internal ear are perpendicularly placed and detect changes in the gravitation position of the head. This is another sensorial function of the inner ear beside the auditory perception. When the head rotates, the pressure of the fluid within the canal upon the cilia of the specific receptor cell varies. This cell generates the action potential transmitted by the vestibular nerves. The neural impulse is then interpreted by the brain as information about gravitation position of the head. Thank you very much for participating in the hearing system. Please do like, share, and subscribe.